Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. I just got back from a garage sale and got all this stuff here. First of all, I got this giant rope. Isn't that cool? You don't see these giant ropes around too much. I got this for 15 bucks and I'm going to use it for a rope swing or something like that. Tie it up in the tree. Got this Kodak timer for 50 cents. Eastman Kodak Co. And I got two longboards. This one is a Gravity Skateboards. It's missing a wheel. Oops. It's a cool board. I'm going to take the wheels from the other board and put it on this one probably. But I got these two for 10 bucks for the both of them. And here's the other one. There's Arbor on the back. And Venice, California. It's got like a pulley there. Pretty cool. When I get some more parts, I'll fix this skateboard up. I did get some extra wheels. He threw in on the deal as well for the 10 bucks. And then the best deal of all right here was I got these two knives. This buck pocket knife and this Western. I got for 6 bucks for both of them, 3 bucks a piece. Unbelievable. I lucked out. Isn't that a beauty? Western W36. It's a great hunting knife. Look at that handle. I just put a little bit of mineral oil on them just to get the webs off them in the dirt. And then this one, I don't know if I can open this with one hand. Here, I'm going to put this down for a second and open it. Alright. So, yeah, this is a 2-blade buck. It's a buck 388. It's got 2 blades, wood scales. Just a cool little knife. Special edition on the blade. And still snaps. Anyways, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.